A spider monkey leisurely swings through the jungle canopy on all fives. With their prehensile tails and long arms, spider monkeys are ideally suited for treetop traveling. Elongated fingers and an abbreviated thumb help them swing through the branches, while their tail acts like a fifth limb. It's capable of supporting their entire weight. It's a handy adaptation to have when eating or roughhousing. Traveling in troops, they feed mainly on fruit and leaves, carrying their young with them at all times. But life is not always sweet. Someone must watch for danger. Prowling through the undergrowth is a hungry margay. A signal alerts the troop. A well-timed barrage of shouts and branch shaking manages to send the cat on its way. Once the danger is past, it's back to her normal routine of eating and resting. It's a very leisurely life indeed.